Hi students, my name is Srinivas Medati. I am fortunate enough to guide scores of students in improving their English language skills, be it writing skills, reading comprehension, or mastering the intricacies of grammar. Now I am associated with Sarat Chandra IAS Academy to impart reading comprehension skills exclusively for CSAT aspirants. So I would like to introduce one of my best students, Uday. I am sure you guys have already met him, and I would like Uday to share his experience with my classes.
Good morning all of you. I am Uday Krishna Reddy. I secured All India rank 780 this year 2023 final results in civil service examination. So earlier I failed 2 times in CSAT itself at very preliminary stage. So it was very setback for me. So in search of solving and getting through this CSAT, fortunately I met Srinivas Sir Medati. So you all people know that 2023 CSAT paper was so difficult, very difficult paper. So in basic numeracy and quantitative aptitude or reasoning also, there was very difficult questions that were given. But fortunately, as Sir gave me the comprehension skill, it was very useful for me solving the 2023 CSAT paper. Especially the SAS methodology. Earlier I tried many methodologies for comprehension. The basic assumption is that reading the comprehension and finding out the same clauses or phrases or same words or vocabulary in the options, that was the earlier notion which I was following in my previous attempts. But after taking the classes and guidance from Srinivas sir, sir gave me the device to solve the tools to solve the comprehension, that is SVO structure. When we are very comfortable with finding out the verb in the verb in the English sentence, then we will be able to find out the ideas in the comprehension. So there are many ideas given in the comprehension. So based on that, the gravity of idea and the strength of idea and how much extension, how much variables the idea can be taken into consideration, and few techniques, especially if we are solving the comprehension passage, the idea of the main crux of the idea of the passage is given in a very initial introduction in few passages or at the conclusion in few passages. So but if we are aware of this SVO structure, we will be easily finding out how it would be the answer could be, or exactly what would be the answer. We can easily find out if we are master that Srinivas Medati sir's SVO structure. So by following SAR's methodology only, this year I am able to opt all the comprehension questions. I think there were 26 or 27 comprehension questions. I opted all the questions correctly. So this year, even though the paper was so difficult, I am able to score around 86.4 comfortably, solely depend on this comprehension. So I am sincerely expressing my thanks and gratitude to Srinivas Medati.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
So
guys, I would conclude this. It is not so complicated. I would always compare reading comprehension with the magic trick. If you know the trick, magic is very easy. If you don't know the trick, you find it very difficult. So I would say, come and join us and understand these tricks behind this magic called comprehension. Thank you very much, guys.